Coffee? At this hour? Been sitting for a while.
Me too.
Didn't expect to find you here by yourself.
I can't face her, man. She'll know something's up.
Well, after tonight, you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna take care of it today.
I know. I'm gonna tell you thanks for your help. I couldn't do this without you.
We've talked about this before.
Yeah, I know. It's just...
Okay. You're not quitting on me, are you?
Thought maybe I should hire a professional.
John, this needs to be done. And it has to happen this way.
I know.
Things can be different.
Well, I wished wrong then. Now how are we gonna do this?
Let's do it right here on this table.
In my kitchen?
Yes!
It's my favorite place in the whole house. I mean,
In the past, people don't even hang around the kitchen.
I didn't know that.
Yes! Because it's dark, it's filthy, dirty. Look around you. Come on, man.
I find it soothing.
Soothing? Filled with all sort of messes. Unbearable smell.
It's just a mess.
Would you prefer another room?
I'd prefer not doing this at all.
Well, we're already here, John. It needs to be done.
I know. But the term... It's just the terms. They don't seem as good anymore.
Okay. You want more coffee?
Would it make a difference?
Buy you some time before it.
Time.
What's so funny?
Time.
What about it?
Just the phrase, time heals all wounds. I just should have done this earlier.
I know this is ironic, but this needs to be done.
I'll have another cup.
How is it?
Like I made it myself.
Because you made it yourself. Let's do this. John, I think it's time. Anything left to say before we do this?
Let's do this. The bag.
Man, next time, don't forget your wedding anniversary, man.